Hello friends, in this presentation we explain some examples of Bayes theorem. Question: suppose that there is a chance for a newly constructed flyover to collapse, whether the design is faulty or not. The chance that the design is faulty is 5%. The chance that the flyover collapse if the design is faulty is 95% and otherwise it is 30%. A flyover collapsed. What is the probability that it is collapsed because of the faulty design? Solution: let B1 denote faulty design, B2 denote no faulty design, and A denote collapse of the flyover. Given that P of B1, that is the chances of faulty design is 5% and that is equal to 0.05 or that is equal to 1 by 100, 5 by 100. Therefore, PB2, that is probability of B2, that is the chances of no faulty design is equal to 1 minus probability of B1 because probability of B1 is the chances of faulty design. So if we deduct it from 1, then we get the chances of no faulty design, or that is P of B2. So that is equal to 1 minus 0.05 and that is equal to 0.95 or 95%, or that is equal to that is equal to 95 by 100. Again, P of A given that B1, that is the probability of collapse of the flyover due to faulty design, is given by 95% and that is equal to 95 by 100. And P of A given that B2, that is the probability of collapse of the flyover due to no faulty design, is given by 30% and that is equal to 30 by 100. Therefore, the probability that the flyover collapsed because of the faulty design is given by P of B1 given that A equal to P of B1 multiplied P of A given that B1 divided by P of B1 multiplied by P of A given that B1 plus P of B2 multiplied by P of A given that B2, and that is equal to value of B1 is 5 by 100 multiplied by P of A given that B1 is 95 by 100. P of B1 again 5 by 100 multiplied by P of A given that B1 is 95 by 100 plus P of B2 is 95 by 100 multiplied by P of A given that B2 is 30 by 100. That is equal to 100 multiplied by 100, 5 into 95. Here 5 into 95, 100 into 100 plus 95 into 30 by 100 into 100. So we can cancel 100 into 100. Thus we got 5 into 95. After cancelling this, we got 5 into 5 in denominator, and in numerator 5 into 95 plus 95 into 30. That is equal to 5 into 95 divided by, we take common 95 in denominator, then we get 5 plus 30. So if we can cancel the 95 of the numerator by the 95 of the denominator, and that is equal to 5 by 35. After cancelling this 35 by this 5, we get 7, and here 1. So that is equal to, we get 1 by 7. Here we got P of B1 given that A. That is, we got the probability that the flyover collapse. Here we got the probability that the flyover collapse because of the faulty design is given is P of B1 given that A is equal to 1 by 7. So this is the solution of this problem. Let us take another example where the question is given as, an insurance company insured 2000 scooter drivers, 4000 car drivers, and 6000 truck drivers. The probabilities of their accident are 0.1, 0.3, and 0.2 respectively. One of the insured persons meets with an accident. What is the probability that he is a scooter driver? Solution. Let E1 is the scooter driver met with accident. E2 is the car driver met with accident. E3 is the truck driver met with accident. And E is a driver is injured. Here, P of E1, that is probability that the scooter driver met with an accident, is given as 0.1, and that is equal to 1 by 10. P of E2, that is probability that a car driver met with accident, is given as 0.3, and that is equal to 3 by 10. P of E3, that is probability that a truck driver met with an accident, is given as 0.2, and that is equal to 2 by 10. Now, P of E given that E1 is the probability that a scooter driver is injured, and that is equal to 2000 divided by 2000 plus 4000 plus 6000 is equal to 2000 by 12,000, and that is equal to 1 by 6. We have got P of E given that E1 as 1 by 6. Similarly, P of E given that E2, that is the probability that a car driver is insured, is equal to 4000 divided by 2000 plus 4000 plus 6000, and that is equal to 4000 by 12,000, and that is equal to 1 by 3. Again, P of E given that E3 is the probability that a truck driver is insured, and that is equal to 6000 divided by 2000 plus 4000 plus 6000, and that is equal to 6000 by 12,000 and is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the probability that the person met with an accident is a scooter driver is given by P of E1 given that E is equal to P of E1 multiplied by P of E given that E1 divided by P of E1 multiplied by P of E given that E1 plus P of E2 multiplied by P of E given that E2 plus P of E3 multiplied by P of E given that E3, and here we put the values of P of E1, that is 1 by 10, P of E given that E1 is 1 by 6. So here 1 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 6 plus P of E2 is 3 by 10 multiplied by P of E given that E2 is 1 by 3 plus P of E3 is 2 by 10 multiplied by P of E given that E2 is 1 by 2. This 3 by 3 and this 2 by 2 we get, that is equal to 1 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 6. So 1 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 6 plus here we get 1 by 10 plus here 1 by 10, and that is equal to 1 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 6. We take the common 1 by 10, so we'll get 1 by 6 plus 1 plus 1. Here we can cancel the numerator 1 by 10 by the denominator 1 by 10. Thus we get in numerator 1 by 6, and in denominator we get 6 is LCM. So here 1 plus 6 plus 6. Thus we get in numerator 1 by 6 and in denominator 13 by 6. In denominator we get 13 by 6 because 1 plus 6 plus 6 is 13. So we can cancel this and this. So we get 1 by 13. So what is 1 by 13? That is the P of E1 divided E. That is the probability that the person met with an accident is a scooter driver. That is 1 by 3. This is how we can apply the Bayes theorem to solve different types of statistical problem. Thank you.